Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G15 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let me start with the code which is, I think, the most interesting for a regular user. Let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad and enter the code which is *## 2486 #*#*. And here we are in the engineering mode, so basically here we can check and test the components of our device. So let's tap on this menu mode, and here you've got listed the things which you can check. So for example, the display. You've got the display test patterns, and now you can check them. So for example, the grayscale. After tapping on it, your device will show you basically the grayscale, right? And you can check whether each pixel is working, because if you will find any kind of different spots, like, I don't know, white spots right here or something unusual, then it means that something's wrong with your with your screen. And this is how it works. For example, medium color bar, so you can check everything. Of course, you can check not only the display, but also GPS, for example, or the camera, or barcode, or SIM card, etc., or the touch screen. So I highly recommend to have fun with this section, because you can check your device and whether everything looks fine. Alright, so let me show you another code, the shortest code. It is *#06#, and you can see that thanks to this code we can open the IMEI information and serial number. Let's tap on OK, and another code *#225 *##. And here we are in the calendar info, so you can check the events gathered in one place. Usually you will be able to check your family events, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back, and another code which is *#426 *##. And here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view, just tap on it, mark it, and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *#4636 *##. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Simply tap on it, and here you've got the information about the, for example, car network, voice service, etc. You can run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Usage statistics, so basically here you've got the list of the apps and the processes which are currently on this device, and you can sort them by usage time, last time used, or app name. It's totally up to you. And the Wi-Fi information, API configuration, and the status. Simply tap on the specific option, you can run ping test, and here you've got more information like the SSID or network ID. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.